What's up guys, it's Tom's Gaming Lab here, and today we'll be unboxing the Ultimate Ears Boom 3. So I've just picked this up from Curry's PC World. You can also get it at like Amazon, eBay and places like that. So in terms of price for this speaker, you're looking around about £100, which is about 124 US dollars. But my specific model, it comes with a power up as well, which is basically like a wireless charging dock that comes with it. You can also get these separately from like eBay and Amazon for an extra like £30, which is $38. Let's get in with the video and unbox this thing. So let's take a quick look at some of the features that are shown on the box. So what we've got here, so it's waterproof, I think it's IP67, I'll have to double check that in a minute. Also we've got a 15-hour battery life. Obviously that can depend on how loud you're playing the music. Also, one of the key features of the speaker is that it's got 360 sound, so that means wherever you're standing in the room you should be able to hear it as equally as anywhere. This thing is rugged. It can withstand a drop from 5 feet, which is about 1.5 meters. So this thing can be like thrown around a bit. And obviously for the price you're paying for this speaker, the sound quality should be good. Right, enough of the boring stuff. Let's get in with the unboxing. So we've got a kitchen knife on hand today to unbox the seals at the top here. So here we are. Let's get this thing open. Slides out of its casing and greeted with a very nice front. So opening the speaker from the bottom, it's greeted here, and there you are. That is the speaker there. Wow guys, that looks awesome. So taking a look in the rest of the box, we've got this tab here which we can just flip to the side. We've got the instruction manual which is here. Obviously we don't need that for now. We've got the US plug which can be attached if needed. We've got some wiring here, that's for the speaker. And what else we got? We've got the standard plug here, which looks like that. That can be folded down for travel purposes. And that's the dock there, and that plug plugs in, I believe, like that. Obviously, yeah, I'm wasting time here. And this wireless charger. Okay guys, so let's focus on the main possession, which is the speaker itself. So let's see if this has got any juice in it. Let's fire this thing up. Ooh. Yep.
Please download the Boom and Mega Boom app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
Okay, so we've got to download an app by the looks of it. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to set this speaker up. So you need to turn on Bluetooth, and as long as your speaker is on and in range of your device, then it should find it within a couple of seconds. Mine's taking a while for some reason. And there you are, Boom 3, you tap on that, and that is connected now to the speaker. Now showing you around the Ultimate Ears app, which you can download off the App Store. It has many features, from turning on your speaker to turning up the volume to playing music or whatever, especially that party feature as well. But one feature that I'm particularly interested in is the EQ, and this feature enables you to change or make your own EQ settings. Okay guys, so moving back to the speaker itself, did you know you can connect 150 plus of these speakers together? I mean, that's just crazy. But anyway, before we check out the wireless charger, I'm just going to do a quick sound test. Just a quick disclaimer, it's obviously not the real sound that you're hearing, it's the sound of my mic on my phone. And also, you can never really tell the actual quality of a speaker itself, so I would recommend going into a store like Curry's just to check out the sound before you purchase anything. But I'm going to do a quick sound test just for the sake of it, and obviously you can point out anything that sounds wrong or it just isn't right. Okay, so let's try this first at 50% volume. Let's go. Okay, so that was the 50% volume test. Let's go on to 75%. Okay, so finally for the 75% sound test, let's go. Okay, so they were the sound tests. Finally, I just want to take a quick look at the wireless charger just to check it's working and that. Okay guys, so we have the wireless charger here from the unboxing earlier. So let's get this out of its packaging and set it up. Okay, so opening this up, we are greeted with the charger. We've got the charging points there. We've got a micro USB slot there, and the bottom there, that's nice rubber material. Let's go set it up. Okay, so that's plugged in. Let's put the speaker on top, see what happens. Okay, so that is charging now. There's a white light flashing, and I presume that means it's charging. Okay guys, to conclude, I believe that this boom-free speaker is definitely worth the £100 you pay because of the following reasons. The sound, especially the bass, the look, the ease to use the speaker itself, the wireless charging feature, and how portable it is. You could just take it anywhere in your rucksack or whatever. Honestly, if you enjoy your music and you're on the go, then this speaker is definitely for you. But the only disadvantage that I can think of the speaker really is the price. Obviously, it's marketed at £100, which is about $125. So yeah, that is one of the drawbacks, that it's going to cost you a lot of your money. However, it's definitely worth it in my opinion of what I've seen of it so far. But anyway, wrapping up this video, if you enjoyed, please smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. If you haven't seen my channel before, it would mean the world for you to go and check out some of my previous videos. There'll be some links in the top right hand corner now for you to go check out. But thanks for watching guys, I've been Thom's Gaming Lab, peace.